Did you know you can get paid hourly by watching videos? It's now the best time for you to start converting the free time you have to watch videos and earn money from them. You can access this method from the comfort of your home, since it's beginner-friendly and very easy to implement. I'm going to tell you about this strategy that will earn you money online by doing simple steps. Without wasting time, let me show you the first website, which is grabpoints.com. Grabpoints.com is the first website where you can earn huge amounts of money online. You can earn money by watching TV, by answering some surveys, and by completing offers. As for me, I suggest you choose the watching videos option because that's the main aspect and the simplest. GrabPoints payout threshold is small, as you can choose to pay out as little as $5, which is very good. Just create a free account on grabpoints.com by clicking on the sign up button right here. After creating an account, the very first thing that you'll see on the page are the surveys that you can answer, but our focus is on watching videos. So right here on the left portion of the page, you can see categories, namely surveys, watch, and offers. These are the categories that will allow you to earn money, and obviously I want you to click on the watch sections to start watching some videos and then earn money very easily. Going back to the page, you'll be redirected to this page that would look exactly like this. Right here you can see these two options where you're going to choose either of them to start watching videos. When you hover on the icons, you can actually see the overview for the tasks and even get the information regarding how many points you can earn, as well as the task's instructions. I'll also be showing you another platform called HOURLY. After clicking on the start button, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see the videos that you can watch to start your money-making journey. Beside the videos, you can also see the points that you can earn after performing such tasks. So let's go ahead and watch a video. Simply click on any one of these videos right here and then you'll find yourself being redirected to this page. After signing up, they will recommend some videos that you can watch in order for you to start earning some money. Now, it's impossible for you to get bored because their videos are really interesting and fun, and some of these videos can even teach you a lesson or two. Anyway, let's check out the second website, which is called superpay.me. With a whopping $4 million worth of payments made to the users, superpay.me is a very astonishing app because it would immediately pay you 20 cents just for signing up. And that's possibly the easiest 20 cents that you'll ever have to make in your entire lifetime. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll now have access to tons of different sections right here, such as the offer wall, which I will discuss later on. This website is legitimate because I've done plenty of research, and this page right here will surely give you peace. As you can see here, the payment proof section having a lot of paid users. The transparency of this website is next to none, as you can see the name of the users, date of payment, and even the paid out amount. You'll just need to sign up as well after clicking on your chosen video, so that they can track your activity and pay you the corresponding amount depending on the amount of videos that you've watched. So just sign up, watch a video, and claim your money. You can cash out on superpay.me page by clicking on the reward section, and then you'll be clicking on this right here which says withdraw cash. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue with the video. The fourth website is called swagbucks.com. Like the previous websites, Swagbucks is a popular and established platform for making money online, being recognized by BuzzFeed, ABC, The Huffington Post, and the likes. Swagbucks is definitely a highly legitimate website to earn real money. So how does it work exactly? You can get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things that you do online, such as shopping, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, and answering surveys. You can just focus on watching videos and claim your money via PayPal, or you can choose to become compensated through gift cards. The last website is called picoworkers.com. This website is different from the other ones because here you're going to click on several websites to earn money. Pico Workers will allow you to earn huge amount of money through this job listings right here, such as watching videos to earn money and simply by clicking on websites. This website is the quickest way to earn money online, and the best part is, Pico Workers has been proven as a very effective and efficient method to earn money again and again. Do you want to live life in complete financial freedom? Click here! Now that you've gained something from this video, it's time to implement what you've learned and start making money. Good luck, guys!